And yes, you can also attribute this to man-made destruction also. Okay, so earlier days only man who are destroying the forest. Now nature is also destroying forest. As a result, what happened? Growth of tree cannot outclass the destruction of trees. So what I mean is the nature who always tried to maintain the equilibrium, the ecological equilibrium, what will they do? They will do this. The mm, the wood, woody biomass, like your tree trunks and branches, which earlier absorbed carbon for food preparation, is now also releasing carbon. Okay, because they have to sustain the ecology, they have to balance the ecology, so they are doing this. Now, as a result, what is happening? Our emission targets are threatened because our emission targets mostly rely on forests absorbing greenhouse gases. And another point to note is researchers say that this reversal has started not today. It has started about 25 years ago and warned it could serve as a canary in the coal mine for tropical forests worldwide. Now Australia is facing this. Later on, if we do not